If you look at recent articles, entrepreneurship from the United States mostly, and across Twitter or any of the social media, it's a bit of a buzzword, but really it's been around for quite some time. In fact, since 1978. It's Gifford Pinchot with his wife in 1978 who wrote a paper about it back then. And it was then expanded upon that. But his idea was that the entrepreneurs were dreamers who do, those who take hands-on responsibility for creating innovation of any kind inside a business. The term itself was probably really popularised further on down the track in 1985 by Mr. Steve Jobs, when he likened Macintosh to be intrapreneurial. And his statement was, in a Newsweek article, that the Macintosh team was what is commonly known as intrapreneurship, a group of people going, in essence, back to the garage, but in a large company. And I suppose he was really talking about his own experience, seeing the company basically started a bit like Super Cheap Auto did in Australia. They started in a garage and then grew from there. So I pose to you yet another question. I'm assuming that most of you either run a firm, are a partner in a firm, a CEO or general manager of a firm, or a senior leader or a leader of some kind inside a firm. So I ask you to think of your own experience and say, well, what were you like when you first started in this particular firm, or you started the firm, as opposed to how you are now? Were you more or less passionate then to now? Do you have more perseverance or less perseverance? Are you more confident now perhaps than you've ever been? Or a little less? Have you let off on the accelerator? Competitiveness, the others there. Risk-taking is a big one.